1 minus 8 equals -7, and again 1 minus 8 equals -7, and the product of -7 times -7 equals +49. But this answer is wrong because we did not pay attention to the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. If you're still watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve inside the parentheses, which gives us 1 minus 8, equal to -7, and the expression becomes 1 minus 8 times -7. And here, multiplication has the priority. -8 times -7 equals +56, and consequently, our final answer is 1 plus 56, which is 57. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.